When it comes to weight management, having your hormones balanced couldn't be more important. I know that often there's this discussion around estrogen dominance as a topic, and maybe it's unclear as to what that really means. Women, we typically look at two types of estrogen, estradiol and estrone, as well as progesterone levels and where they should be at what time in the cycle, or postmenopausal, needing those replaced because now they're absent. It becomes very important to address these issues when you're trying to lose weight. Certainly postmenopausal, we see larger amounts of central weight gain, and this is related to these imbalances in this particular estrogen, estrone, in comparison to estradiol, and certainly not balanced with progesterone. It's left out as we age because we're no longer ovulating. So it's strongly encouraged that we add the progesterone at bedtime, helping with sleep and mood and weight, and estrogen dominance, of course, during perimenopause, and blocking that estrone with something called DIM, D-I-M, or diindolol methane, which is simply a bunch of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, all ground up in a capsule.